Hello everyone, welcome to DataScriptIQ. On this channel, we learn data science, Python, SQL, artificial intelligence, machine learning, data analytics, Power BI, Excel, software tools, and programming step by step with practical examples. In today's video, we are going to learn Python pattern programs and logic building exercises. We will do this by constructing a perfectly centered star pyramid from scratch in a simple and beginner-friendly way. Converting a visual observation into precise instructions is the core of pattern programming. We need to define exactly how many stars to print, where the spaces go, and when to move to a new line. Open up your preferred Python environment, whether that's idle, VS Code, Jupyter Notebook, or an online editor, and prepare to write some code. These exercises turn abstract loops, counters, and conditions into visible results. Today, you'll see exactly how changing a single numerical relationship alters the entire shape on your screen. This diagram displays the foundational rule for understanding patterns. Every terminal output operates on an invisible grid. The vertical y-axis represents our rows, and the horizontal x-axis represents our columns. The program uses an outer loop to control vertical movement, stepping down the y-axis from row 1 through row 5. Inside that process, an inner loop controls what appears horizontally across the x-axis for the currently active row. By keeping this grid model in mind, you immediately know which piece of code controls the vertical drop, and which piece fills the horizontal space. We use a method called read before coding to map the target shape. This split-screen diagram displays our 5-row target pyramid on the left and an empty logic table on the right. We will fill this in before writing any Python. Let's manually count the elements in the first row. We clearly see 4 blank spaces aligning 1 star. We document row 1, 4 spaces, 1 star. We track the changes as the row number increases. For row 2, we count 3 spaces and 3 stars. For row 3, it's 2 spaces and 5 stars. Now we deduce the math. If we take our total of 5 rows and subtract the current row number, we get our exact space count. The formula is spaces equal total rows minus the current row. The stars follow an increasing odd number sequence, 1, 3, 5. To generate that exact sequence, the formula is 2 times the current row minus 1. By documenting these values in a logic table, we replace coding guesswork with proven mathematical relationships. We can now transition to our code editor and build the outer loop that determines the pattern's total height. Type the variable rows equals 5. Then initialize the loop by typing for row in range 1, rows plus 1. Notice that we named the variable row. Using descriptive variable names instead of arbitrary letters like I keeps your logic easy to read and maintain. Next, we translate our logic table directly inside the loop. This code editor shows us typing spaces equals rows minus row. Right underneath that, we add the second formula for our stars, typing stars equals 2 times row minus 1. By isolating the math here, these variables will dynamically adapt to calculate the correct spacing for whichever iteration the loop is currently on. Now we output the visual symbols. We will use Python's string multiplication to combine our calculated space and star variables into a single line. This diagnostic screen shows what happens if you print characters individually without formatting strings. Instead of a pyramid, the terminal displays a broken vertical line. To correctly concatenate the characters, this split screen displays our final print statement. Print, open parenthesis, a blank space in quotes multiplied by spaces, plus a star in quotes multiplied by stars. The terminal immediately updates to display properly aligned rows. We have one final formatting detail to cover. The program needs to know exactly when to move the cursor to a new line. To handle this, add an empty print statement at the bottom of the outer loop. This drops the terminal cursor down to reset. Loop logic dictates the numbers, but precise print formatting is what actually draws the recognizable, flawless shape on your screen. Let's execute the script. The left code block generates a flawless 5-row star pyramid on the right. Because our logic is dynamic, it scales perfectly. Change the input to 10 rows, and the terminal easily generates a massive 10-row pyramid. Thank you for practicing along with me. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to DataScriptIQ for more useful coding and data science tutorials. Let's start and learn something new today. Successfully building this pattern confirms you understand loop boundaries, positional conditions, and variable changes. These habits apply directly to much larger tasks, like processing thousands of records inside categories, or generating fully structured business reports.